They're in boxing rings and running half marathons. The rise of China's humanoid robots could be giving American companies like Tesla and Figure AI a run for their money. China already has a higher density of robots per human on its factory floors than the likes of the US and Japan. But now it's preparing to bring humanoids into more complex roles that bring them closer to actual humans, like in retail, elderly care homes, and eventually households. China's also quietly testing the military capabilities of humanoids, as is the US. The humanoid market is set to surge to $7 trillion by 2050, when the world could be populated by nearly 650 million human-like bots. That's according to Citigroup's projections. But beyond money, dominating this field is also strategic for governments and countries. Whoever commercializes humanoids faster could potentially command an army of tireless workers, caregivers, and soldiers that could redefine political and economic strength. China's earmarked nearly $140 billion for robotics and high tech in the next 2 decades to take humanoids from the realms of sci-fi into the real world. That amount is far more than in the US and Europe. But going back to the humanoid half marathon, for example, only 6 of the 21 robots competing made it to the finish line intact and within the time limit. So China and robot makers around the world may have a ways to go before humanoids appear in our daily lives.